Unlock the power of automated document signing by learning how to programmatically create and manage DocuSign envelopes with their robust API. Our journey begins with setting up your DocuSign developer account. This is where you'll get access to your API credentials, which are crucial for authenticating your application with DocuSign's services. The core of creating an envelope involves constructing a JSON payload. This payload will contain all the necessary information, such as the recipient's details, the documents to be signed, and the signing order. Next, we'll define the signHere tabs. These are placeholders within your documents indicating exactly where recipients need to sign or initial, ensuring a smooth signing experience. Once your payload is ready, you'll make an API call to the DocuSign API. This call, authenticated with your credentials, will tell DocuSign to create the envelope using the information you provided. Upon successful creation, DocuSign will send an email to your designated recipients with a link to access and sign the document. You can also track the envelope's status programmatically. This integration allows you to embed seamless esignature workflows into your custom applications, automating processes and boosting efficiency for your business. Start building your customized esignature solutions today.